Hey everyone, it's Megan with Mama Dreams Big. So, I know I did this whole series on is network marketing for you, and that is what I do. It's network marketing. And, you know, do you have a strong why that can keep you motivated? Do you want to set your own schedule or work from wherever you want to? Do you enjoy meeting new people? Do you enjoy social media? Have you been in an MLM or been curious about an MLM? Those are the types of things for people who are going into network marketing that are really strong parts of them. You don't have to hit every single one and say yes to every one, but a lot of those pieces are the parts of everyday business for being in an MLM. So if you are excited about, I would say, the majority of those parts, network marketing is for you. If not, that's okay. If you still want to do network marketing, that's okay too. Even if you say don't get all of them, but I'd say the strongest candidates are the ones that can say yes to almost all of those pieces. So anyway, let me know if it is. If it is for you, I can start talking to you more about my business and what it is that I do. So let me know. Have a great day, and I hope that some of you are saying yes, network marketing's for you. All right, thanks guys, and remember, always dream big.